background. First of all, thank you for the opportunity you are giving me to send this video. All the questions are written in the chat. The first question, let me see. Could you tell me about yourself and describe your background in brief? Of course, my name is Andrea Valle. I am 28 years old. I am currently studying system engineering at UNAT. This program where the intricacies of system architecture and programming logic catch my attention. I have been living in Bogota for 10 years and I have developed a deep understanding of the professional landscape here. Well, I don't yet have professional experience in system engineering, but I have a solid knowledge of C# programming and database management. Very important skill in this industry. Not only am I a fast learner, but I also excel in collaborative environments. Okay, so where teamwork is essential. Therefore, my passion for the technology allows me to constantly update my knowledge and skills. Okay, the next question is, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Okay. My strengths, which include adaptability and rapid comprehensions of new concepts, those are complemented by my ability to thrive in collaborative settings. In no way am I hindered by the complexities or teamwork, a quality that is highly valued in this industry. Being a calm and collect problem solver in another asset essential for navigating the challenges of this dynamic file. While my current student status limits is not a secret, my practical experience in system engineering, but I actively seek the change, the opportunity. I am confident that I will quickly bridge this gap. The next question is, where do you see yourself in 5 years and in 10 years? Okay, in 5 years, I will have completed my system engineering degree and will be pursuing a specialization aiming to become a competent and knowledgeable system engineer. And by the 10 years mark, I envision myself as an established professional, contributing to innovate projects and potentially leading team. My aspiration is to be recognized as an expert in a specific area of system engineering. I believe a role what will enable me to make a significant impact. I think so. The next question is, could you tell me about some relevant experiences in the workplace? Good. Although I lack direct professional experience in system engineering, but I have consistently demonstrated my ability to learn and apply new skills academically. One such example is a complex coding project which involved the application of stacks, queues, and lists to capture and store the process data, culminating in a user-friendly graphical interface. A very interesting and beautiful interface for the user. Yeah. This project, which necessitated research into Windows for development and data structure implementation, on me analytical and problem solving skill. Both are important for a system engineer. Had I had more time, I will have explored programming in Python and JavaScript languages, maybe, and further refining my ability to abstract information practically. The next question is, how do you stay updated with industry trend and developments? Okay. To stay up to date with industry trends and developments, I actively engage in various strategies. First, I can say that I follow LinkedIn accounts, blogs, and reputable tech publications such as TechCrunch and Wired, which offer insights into the latest advances. I also enjoy occasionally participating as a reader in online forums and communities, such as GitHub, where I can learn from experienced professionals and these emerging technologies is very interesting for me. Also, I attend online courses offered by platforms like Coursera and Platzi, which help me delve deeper into specific areas of interest, a lot of areas. I also plan to attend industry conference and workshop in the future, maybe on the end of this year. I have experimented with new tools and technologies in my personal projects. These help me understand their practical applications. And if you were confronted with a challenging situation, such as encountering bribery or unethical behavior in the workplace, what steps would you take to address it? Okay. Should I encounter a situation involving bribery or unethical behavior, I would approach it with composure and unwavering professionalism. If I witnesses such conduct on the park or a college or co-worker, maybe I would report it to the appropriate company department, adhering strictly to professional ethic policies. Addressing such behavior is very important for upholding, ethical standards and safeguarding the integrity of the workplace, in my opinion, is very important. Thank you, teacher.